You know, we started celebrating Ratha Yatra from last Thursday.
Yes.
Okay, that's why today we have decided to discuss this topic.
Yes.
And today I am going to ask some questions and you will give those answers. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. My first question for Pratyush. Pratyush, please tell me, this year did you make and pull Rath with your friends?
No, this year I did not make and pull Rath with my friends
Why? Why did not you make?
because I have no any local friends.
I don't have.
I don't have local friends, so I did not pull Ratha Yatra.
Pull Rath. And Shayan, please tell me, did you make and pull Rath with your friends?
No, I did not make or pull rod with my friends
Why?
because this year we did not have enough time.
Enough time. And Riyansh, did you make and pull Rath?
No,
No, it did not pull or make. And Shubha, did you make and pull Rath with your friends?
no, I did not make or pull rod
Why?
because that time I was ill.
You are ill. And Shubhankar, did you make and pull Rath?
Yes, I made pull rod with my friends.
Okay. And what is your name? Atanu. Atanu, did you make and pull Rath with your friends?
No,
No. Tanisha,
no, I did not made and pull rod with my friends
why?
because I have not any friend.
I don't have
I don't have any friend in my neighborhood.
in your neighborhood. Okay. And Adrika, did you make and pull Rath with your friends?
Yes, I make and pull rod.
I made and pull. Sometimes ago you told me you bought a Rath.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me that story.
Yes, I pulled rod.
At first I bought a Rath,
At first, I bought a rod and
decorated that.
decorated that
Then
with my friends.
you pulled that
That my neighborhood.
with your friends. Okay. We also to celebrate this Ratha Yatra, we also go to fair. Huh?
Yes.
In our village, we some organizers organize fair. And this year, Pratyush, did you go to fair?
Yes, I went to fair, but not.
Please
the,
come to the camera.
But not the exact day of Ratha Yatra. I went there second day,
Okay. On day 2.
on day 2.
And Shayan, did you go to fair?
Yes, I went to the fair.
Okay. And Riyansh, did you go to fair?
Yes, I go to the fair.
I went to fair.
I went to
Okay. Listen to him. ও কি বলছে শোনো, তারপর উত্তর দাও। আর শুভ, did you go to fair, শুভ?
Yes, I went to fair on Thursday.
On day 3. And Shubhankar, did you go to fair, Shubhankar?
Yes, I went to fair.
And Ratanu, did you go to fair?
Yes, I go to fair.
I went to
I
fair.
went to fair.
অতীতে বললে কি? went বলতে হবে, went. And Tanisha, did you go to fair, Tanisha?
Yes, I went to the fair.
And Adrika,
Yes, I went to the fair.
you went to fair. Okay, my next question is, what did you buy there? Adrika, what did you buy there?
I
bought
there a small water tank.
water tank, small water tank. Okay, made of plastic.
Yes.
And Tanisha, what did you buy there, Tanisha?
As I did not enter there
Why did not you enter?
because it is very clean.
Clay.
There
Okay.
is very clean.
Oh, okay. Huh. That's why I did not enter.
That's why I did not enter. And I ate biryani and jalebi from market.
From
From the stalls, market stalls.
okay, from stalls. And what is your name? I forgot. Atanu, what did you buy there? What did you buy there? Buy মানে কি কেনা? What did you buy there? কি কিনেছিলে?
Mini fan.
Mini fan. And you, Shubhankar, what did you buy there?
I bought a monster truck.
Monster truck. Today Shubhankar is speaking. Thank you, Shubhankar. And Shubha, what did you buy there, Shubha?
I bought there a sticker book and a water bottle.
Water bottle. And Riyansh, what did you buy there, Riyansh? I bought
Tic-tac game.
tic-tac game. Only tic-tac game. Nothing else. And Shayan, what did you buy there, Shayan?
From the fair, I bought
Please come to the camera because I can't go there.
I bought a keychain, a sticker book, and
Keychain?
keychain. and
Why did you buy kitchen?
because
Kitchen means that is made of plastics.
no.
The kitchen means
Metal.
metal.
And I bought a water color book.
Water color book. And you bought kitchen. I am surprised. Huh? Are you surprised, Pratyush?
Yes.
After hearing that?
But I also bought a kitchen.
This year?
হ্যাঁ
He also bought a kitchen. Okay, next day when I will go to your house, okay, I will see that. Okay, and Pratyush, what did you buy there?
I bought a kitchen and a Rubik's cube.
Acha, when I asked you first time that Pratyush, what did you buy there? That time you are shy. Huh?
Yes. No,
Why
that
are you
time-
shy?
That time I forgot that I was bought a kitchen also.
You bought.
I
You
bought
bought a kitchen. The kitchen means that kitchen utensils.
No, that is a
No.
like a thing we hold in our key rings.
Okay, basically maybe I cannot understand. Okay, next day when I'll go to your house, I'll see that. Okay, and our next question, Pratyush, who did you go with, Pratyush?
I went there with my mother.
With your mother. And you?
I also went there with my mother.
And Riyansh, who did you go with, Riyansh?
I go to my mother.
I went with my mother.
I went my mother.
And Shubha, who did you go with, Shubha?
I went with my mother.
You also went with your mother.
Yes.
And Shubhankar?
I with my
I went.
I went my father.
I went with my father. Okay, your father has time to go to fair. Huh? But your father does not have time to meet me. And Atanu, who did you go with?
I go to.
Went. I went
I went
with your
with
my
my mother.
mother. Okay, Tanisha, who did you go with, Tanisha?
I
Tanisha, please come to that camera because
I
there is no.
I went with my mother and my aunts also.
And your
Aunt also.
brother?
Oh,
And Tadrika, who did you go with, Tadrika?
I went my mother and
Went with. Sathe, went with.
went with my mother and my elder sister.
Elder sister. Okay. Tell me. Tadrika, now tell me, what did you eat there?
I eat there.
I ate. What did? Did মানে কোন টেন্সে বলছি? ফার্স্ট টেন্সে বলেছি, সেজন্য আমি কি বলেছি? ইট বলেছি। এবার তুমি যে অ্যানসার দেবে, তখন তো ডিড বলবে না। তখন কি বলতে? ইটের ফার্স্ট টেন্স কি? অ্যাড বলতে হবে। I ate there.
I ate there momo and puchka
Ah.
and jalebi.
And jalebi. Okay. And Tanisha, what did you eat there?
I ate there biryani and jalebi.
Biryani and jalebi. And Tatanu, what did you eat there?
I ate there egg roll.
Egg roll. Shubhankar?
I ate there egg roll, puchka, ice cream, momo.
Oh, lots of things. And Shubha, what did you eat there? Shubha, please come to there because there is a light. Okay.
At first, I ate puchka.
Hmm.
Then I ate papri chaat.
Papri chaat. Okay. Then
Then ghugni.
ghugni,
Then ice cream.
ice cream. And Riyansh, what did you eat there, Riyansh? I ate huh,
Ice cream and cotton candy.
ice cream and cotton candy. Oh, very good. And what is your name? Shayan?
I ate ice cream, fuchka, ghugni, and spring potato.
Huh?
Spring potato.
Spring potato. Okay. Pratyush,
I ate,
Pratyush, why are you going
oh, sorry.
away?
I ate their chowmein and nothing.
Nothing. Did you actually go with your mother?
Yes, I wanted.
Okay. My last question. Okay. My last question is, what did you write there? What did you write there? Did you write any merry-go-round or I don't know what are the items? Did you write anything?
No, I did not write anything.
And Shayan, did you write?
No, I did not write anything.
And what is your name? Riyansh, what did you write there? I wrote
I wrote Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Shubha,
I did not write
you did not write. Why?
because
It is boring.
yes.
And-
I don't attract it.
You don't get attracted. And Shubhankar, what did you write there?
No, I write them.
I did not write. I did not. Acha. And Atanu?
No, I did not
Right.
write there.
Okay. Tanisha?
I did not write there.
Adrika?
No, I did not write there
Why?
because
Because?
there is so sleepy and water.
Oh, that place was very sleepy and full of water. Okay. Okay, I think all you enjoyed a lot. Huh?
Yes.
This fair.
Yes.
And that's all for today.
Yes.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.